It's sorry, it is 5:45 in the PM, nearing the end of day 19. And as you can see to the right, Brownie is not sitting proper on at least 4 eggs. I am not sure what is taking place here, if they are spoiled or if they have begun to hatch. But we will do keep a good look on what's happening there. I would not venture any closer on what's happening there. And then there's this additional shell out here, so I'm not sure if her chicks had indeed started to hatch, but we will keep close monitoring of her.